Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel, answering a question that you have left me. If you can clean the EGR with diesel or gasoline, instead of using a solvent, which is more expensive, it can be cleaned perfectly, but if you are going to use diesel or gasoline, it is better to use gasoline, because diesel leaves everything full of oil, it is more sticky when working. On the other hand, gasoline is cleaner and evaporates faster and is much easier to clean the piece with gasoline than with diesel. Okay, I usually use industrial solvent for convenience, because it dissolves faster, but if you pour gasoline on the piece, that dirt will also soften and then scrape there with a knife, yes, carefully. Okay, but I already said that you are going to have less work if you use gasoline than if you use diesel, since then you have to remove all that sticky oil, which remains in the piece. Here you have the video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.